Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for day 10 of my Halloween makeup looks, I decided to bring you guys a gender bent jigsaw. I am so excited for the movie to be coming out this weekend, and I'm definitely going to be watching it. I am super excited for Halloween too, since that's literally just around the corner. But anyways, you guys, if you want to see how I did this glam gender bent jigsaw, then go ahead and keep on watching. Starting off this tutorial, I'm going to be putting in my sclera lenses since I can't put them in after the makeup because I'll cry my entire makeup off. But then I'm going to be going in with some white cream foundation and placing that all over my face. Going in with a flat top foundation brush, I'm going to be blending out that white cream, making sure to pat it in instead of swiping it just because it is a cream product. And then I'm going to be going in with this white face powder, and I'm going to take that on the same brush and setting my entire face. Now I'm going in with this Kat Von D eyeshadow quad, and I'm taking the two gray shades and I'm going to be using that throughout the entirety of this makeup tutorial. Going in with that first lighter gray shade, and I'm going to start contouring my face. I'm going to contour the usual parts of my face, the cheekbones, the jawline, and up onto the forehead. Also going to be slimming down my nose a little bit. Now I'm going in with that same gray eyeshadow on a blending brush, and I'm going to be putting that around my mouth area to make myself look more of a ventriloquist doll. Going to start the eye makeup, and I'm going to put that gray shade up into the crease. I'm blending this higher than my natural crease because I am a man and I want it to look more drag looking, I guess. So bringing that eyeshadow down onto the lower lash line, and then I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side of my eye. I also didn't mention this earlier, but I did take that eyeshadow out into a little bit of a cat eye shape. Now I'm going in with that darker gray shade from that Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to be darkening all the contours and adding some more depth into the eye makeup as well. Now I'm going to be placing that darker gray eyeshadow in my natural creases just because I wanted the lighter gray to show still and not be too overpowered by the darker gray. Once I placed down that darker gray eyeshadow in the mouth line area, I did go in with a fluffier brush and blend it out a little bit. And then I took more of that gray eyeshadow into my furrows of my brows just because Jigsaw does have a really prominent eyebrow. Now I'm going in with this Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold, and I'm going to be placing that in my inner corners for a super blending highlight. So the eyeshadow that I'm putting on my eyelids is from the Too Faced and Kat Von D collaboration, and I'm pretty sure the eyeshadow is called Swoon. I didn't have a product screen for this because I've lost the footage, so I'm super sorry about that. But now I'm going in with another blending brush and that same Jeffree Star highlighter, and I'm placing that all over my face. Next I'm going in with this eyeliner and giving myself a wing. Going in with this red face paint and a detail brush to add the swirls on his cheeks. Only thing I can say is be super careful when doing this, because when I did the other swirl on the other side of the cheek, it totally messed up and I had to wipe off all of it and restart on that other side of the face, so just take your time when doing this. Now I'm going in with this red eyeshadow and I'm going to be distressing those swirls. Now I'm going in with this black face paint and I'm going to be using that to add the lines where the ventriloquist mouth is. And I'm also going to be taking that black face paint onto some other areas of the face, like the brows. Now I'm going to be placing whatever was left on that eyeshadow brush and blending out those black lines that I placed down with the black face paint. And then I'm going to be going in with this lip liner that is 100% eye safe. Make sure whatever product you're putting near your eyes is eye safe. You don't want it not to be. I'm going to be placing that in my waterline. Then I'm also going to take that same lip liner and doing what it was made for and putting that around my lips. Now I'm going to be going in with this lipstick from Kat Von D. Just a suggestion for you guys, if you want a super long lasting lipstick for Halloween, go ahead and use a liquid lipstick because those dry down and they do not come off. Well, they do come off, but they don't come off. Lastly, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer and their red glitter, and I'm going to be placing that on my eyelids, on the swirls, and on my lips. Then I'm going in with a black face paint and I'm going to be outlining my jawline and giving myself more of a ventriloquist look, throwing on some eyelashes, and boom, you have just become Jigsaw. Other than that, you guys, I just threw on my costume and I put on this lace front wig that I got from Rockstar Wigs. I will leave the link in the description to where you guys can find this wig as well as all the other product details. I really hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys know when I post another makeup look. Don't forget to go check out the movie. It comes out this weekend. I'm super excited to go see it. And I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!